Myntri rangba ka jala Conrad sangma next ngi bakran berkinong tho khubor hadin ka cabinet meeting ulayatu bahaga khadar tarik unailur ula depa ik shithi shabaro ki Myntri ki badai ban ino ya ka jinglong Myntri khamtam ki Myntri ki badai na kaseng National People's Party ulong babaro ki la debyo ya ki shithi habai dei pat bat ki jingkno ba ki klem pentip kata kamla banlong namar ba nagalyang kejungu ula depa ik shithi bat ki jing pentip Kiladon ha kesithi ya kini Myntri rangba ula keren halor kejingkren jong ka Dr. Kong Ampareen lengdo ke Myntri berim ke jela ba kaong ba kamdon jingtip ai halor kejing temu penhiar suki Myntri yaka.
Just so that we put the records straight, on Friday the 12th of September, when the cabinet when the assembly was over, in the evening at about 8 o'clock, I had dispatched letters to all the concerned ministers, especially from the National People's Party, because the other parties had already decided and some were still working on their decision. And so, minusing the other political parties and other coalition partners, to the four cabinet ministers from the National People's Party, the letter was sent, and all of them had received the letter. And obviously, I expect that when they receive a letter from Chief Minister, they will go through it and they will see it. And we have confirmed that the letter was received. And so that is what the procedure was followed with everyone. And so the question of not communicating and not informing does not arise. In the letter, it is much better because all the details were mentioned. I did not share the letter with the press, and if necessary, we can share that letter also. But this exercise was conducted and all had received the letter.